Hi guys, this is Brownie from Manhattan, New York. So I'm coming to you guys with a new install editorial. So I washed out my hair and I shampooed and conditioned my hair, and then I put my weave to dry this morning, and then I just finished doing my hair. So this is the right hand side of my hair. This is the back of my hair. This is the front of my hair. This is the left hand side of my hair. This is the top of my hair. And then this is 12 inches, 10 inches, 12 inches. This is 10 inches. And this is a Janet Brazilian hair in the color Natural Black. So I used 3/4 of one bundle to do this side part, and it's really thick and nice, so I really like it. Then I used my Kiss Red 1/2 inch flat iron to put these curls in. I used my 30-second bonding glue to glue my wefts in. I did do a glue in, so the hair is glued. The wefts is glued between my actual hair. So as you guys can see, for those of you who don't know about hair being glued in, welcome to all my new subscribers. I know I haven't acknowledged you guys. Usually when I have a lot of new subscribers, I acknowledge you guys. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thumbs up my video, share it, like it, subscribe to my videos, and to stay updated with my life. Also, there's this new thing on YouTube where you have to press this little bell thing, and it lets you be alerted anytime a new video comes out. So a lot of you guys have been writing in my comment section that you're not alerted anytime I post a new video. So you have to click that little thing that looks like a bell, and every time one of my videos come out, you guys will see it immediately. So this is how the wefts is glued in between. So this is how I glue my wefts in between my natural hair, and then I just flat ironed, blow dry and flat iron my hair, and I just comb it over to cover the wefts from showing. And this is how it looks. It's like really sexy, seductive, side drop. I really love this style. I've worn it for a good amount of years. I literally cut my hair when this style came back in. As you guys know, this is a 90s hairstyle. But when this hairstyle came back in, I literally cut all of my hair so that I could make it fit to have this side style. And this is 10 inches the first time I cut my hair. But thumbs up this video, share it, like it, subscribe to my channel, stay updated with me and my life. Be blessed. I'll do the same again. This is Brownie from Manhattan, New York. Mwah!